Welcome to Tech Brothers Amer. In this video, we are going to learn about rollup function in PySpark. Rollup is used to perform hierarchical multi-level aggregations in PySpark. It creates subtotals and grand totals in the result set. So it is similar to the groupBy but adds the intermediate subtotal rows and grand total row as well. So that's a little different from the groupBy, but this is used for summary data and or aggregation data. So this is very helpful. So how we apply that? We will say data frame dot rollup, then we provide the list of the columns on which we want to roll up, and then we provide the aggregation functions here. So we are going to take a look in the demo how exactly this is going to work. Now here we have data, and I can see that I have name, country, and salary in this data, and here I'm creating the data frame called df. Let's take a look on this data frame by executing the code. It should create some results for us, and here's the output of data frame. So we have name, country, and salary. I have names Amish, Azad, Raza, Bob, Lisa, and all that. Then we have country Pakistan, and then we have a salary. Now we want to apply these aggregation and use a roll up here. So we will see how it exactly it is going to work. Now if we want to roll up on country and name, so we are doing on two columns. So we are creating a new data frame here. Right here, and we are saying the df, that's our old data frame or the existing data frame, roll up, and then we are providing a list of the columns. So here is country and name. Then in aggregate we are doing the sum on salary, and then alias that name as the total salary, and then we are doing the order by country and name. And then finally we are using the show function to see the records in the df rollup data frame. Let's execute and take a look. Let me actually do both of them. I want to show you original and then a rollup so we can kind of make a comparison. Let's take a look on the output, and here is our output for the df, the data frame original one for sample data, and here is our rollup. So you see that it is creating a null, so that's a grand total. So it's a grand total of the salary. So you can, if you add up all those column values, it's going to end up right there. Then for the country Canada, is doing the subtotal. So see right there, and then you have name. There isn't really a name here, so it's a total for the entire country. So that's what it is, and there is only one record actually, that's Lisa. Then it's showing you that record. Now for Pakistan we have multiple records, and we have one record for Amer and one for Ali Raza, and see what happened. For Pakistan is given the subtotal. So for this Pakistan, and it adding up these two values and making it 25,500. So these two values will be added, and this will be subtotal for the Pakistan, or you can call it total for Pakistan, or grand. You would not say grand total, because grand total I will say is the entire thing. So you will say total for Pakistan, that will be fine. And then for country of USA, you see that this is a total for USA, but there is only one record, so that's all it has. If it would be having multiple records, that will add up into this value. And now what we are going to do, we are going to take a look at another scenario here. Roll up on country only. So if we do that, what's going to happen? So here we are creating a new data frame, and then we are applying roll up on the existing data frame df, and here we are telling roll up on the country, and then aggregate is a sum. So you see right there, and say on sum on which column? Salary column. And then alias that out as the total salary, and then order by the country. So if we execute this, what's going to happen? Now it's going to give us the grand total, and then it will give us the total by the country. So you see that this is our grand total, and then it gave us the total or sum of those values for the salary, so by country. Now we have this 14,200, and we have 25, and then we have 10,700. So that's how the roll up you will be used. If you need to create aggregate reports or output, this is very easy function to use, and it will help you to get the things done quickly. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.